Hi guys, whether you're capturing stills or video, the best drone cameras make it easy to shoot stunning aerial images. We've flown the top drones for hundreds of hours, testing each model in depth to find the best option for every pilot and budget. From the results, we've ranked our favorites in the expert guide below. So, let's get started. Number 5, Hot Z908 Pro Max Mini Drone 4K. This mini drone is here with the 67% price off. Now you can get it at around $33. Prepare to soar to new heights and capture breathtaking aerial footage with the Hot Z908 Pro Max Mini Drone. Equipped with a powerful 4K professional camera, advanced obstacle avoidance technology, 2.4G Wi-Fi connectivity, and intuitive remote control, this quadcopter redefines the standards of aerial photography and exploration. Let's delve into the extraordinary features that make this drone a must-have for enthusiasts of all levels. Capture professional quality footage with 4K camera. The Hot Z908 Pro Max Mini Drone features a high-definition 4K professional camera that delivers stunning aerial imagery with exceptional clarity and detail. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes, dynamic action shots, or cinematic aerial videos, this camera ensures that every moment is preserved in stunning detail. Navigate safely with obstacle avoidance technology. Navigate through challenging environments with confidence thanks to the Hot Z908 Pro Max's advanced obstacle avoidance technology. Equipped with intelligent sensors, the drone can detect obstacles in its path and automatically adjust its flight trajectory to avoid collisions. Effortless remote control and connectivity. Take control of your aerial adventures with the Hot Z908 Pro Max intuitive remote control system. With user-friendly controls and responsive handling, piloting this drone is a breeze, even for beginners. Additionally, the drone's 2.4G Wi-Fi connectivity allows for seamless communication between the drone and remote control, ensuring stable and reliable transmission of commands and real-time video feed. Compact and portable design. Designed for on-the-go adventurers, the Hot Z908 Pro Max Mini Drone features a compact and foldable design that makes it easy to transport and store. Whether you're traveling to remote locations, exploring new landscapes, or simply enjoying a day outdoors, this drone is always ready for action. Number 4, KBDFA Mini Z908 Pro Max Drone 4K. This drone is here with the 56% price off. Now you can get it at around $31. Prepare to embark on a thrilling journey through the skies with the KBDFA Mini Z908 Pro Max drone. This cutting-edge quadcopter combines advanced technology with professional-grade features to deliver an unparalleled flying experience. Boasting a 4K ESC camera, intelligent obstacle avoidance, brushless motor, and foldable design, the Z908 Pro Max is the perfect choice for both novice pilots and seasoned enthusiasts. Let's explore the remarkable features that make the KBDFA Mini Z908 Pro Max drone the ultimate choice for RC quadcopter enthusiasts. Capture stunning aerial footage with 4K ESC camera. The KBDFA Mini Z908 Pro Max drone is equipped with a high-resolution 4K ESC camera, allowing you to capture stunning aerial photos and videos with exceptional clarity and detail. From sweeping landscapes to dynamic action shots, every moment captured with this drone is transformed into cinematic masterpieces. Navigate with confidence using intelligent obstacle avoidance. Navigate through challenging environments with ease thanks to the Z908 Pro Max's intelligent obstacle avoidance system. Utilizing advanced sensors and algorithms, the drone can detect and avoid obstacles in its path, ensuring smooth and safe flights every time. Experience smooth and efficient flight with brushless motor. Powered by a brushless motor, the KBDFA Mini Z908 Pro Max drone delivers smooth, efficient, and responsive flight performance. Unlike traditional brushed motors, brushless motors offer improved power efficiency, higher thrust-to-weight ratios, and reduced noise levels, resulting in a more enjoyable and immersive flying experience. Foldable design for portability and convenience. Designed with portability in mind, the KBDFA Mini Z908 Pro Max drone features a foldable design that allows it to be easily transported and stored. The foldable arms and compact size make it perfect for on-the-go adventures, allowing you to take your drone with you wherever you roam. The next is Number 3, new S128 Mini Drone 4K HD Camera 3-sided. This mini drone is here with the 67% price off. Now you can get it at around $25. Embark on a journey of boundless discovery and aerial adventure with the latest innovation in drone technology, the S128 Mini Drone. Designed to exceed expectations, this compact yet powerful quadcopter is equipped with a state-of-the-art 4K HD camera, advanced three-sided obstacle avoidance technology, air pressure fixed height capability, and a foldable design for unparalleled portability. Let's delve into the remarkable features that make the S128 mini drone the ultimate choice for both enthusiasts and professionals alike. Capture stunning aerial imagery with 4K HD camera. Elevate your photography and videography skills with the S128 mini drone's high-resolution 4K HD camera. From sweeping panoramic landscapes to detailed close-ups, every shot captured with this drone is rendered in stunning clarity and vivid detail. With the ability to adjust the camera angle, you have full control over your aerial compositions, allowing you to unleash your creativity and capture breathtaking footage from unique perspectives. Navigate with confidence using three-sided obstacle avoidance. Navigate through complex environments with ease and confidence thanks to the S128 mini drone's advanced three-sided obstacle avoidance technology. Equipped with sensors on the front, back, and bottom, the drone can detect obstacles in its path and autonomously adjust its flight trajectory to avoid collisions. Achieve stability with air pressure fixed height. Experience smooth and stable flight performance with the S128 mini drone's air pressure fixed height feature. By utilizing onboard barometric sensors, the drone can accurately measure air pressure and maintain a consistent altitude throughout the flight. Unrivaled portability with foldable design. Designed for on-the-go adventurers, the S128 mini drone features a professional foldable design that enhances its portability and convenience. The next is Number 2, XD1 Pro Mini Drone 60G Dual Camera Optical Flow. This mini drone is here with the 75% price off. Now you can get it at around $16. The world of remote-controlled toys is ever-evolving, with advancements in drone technology leading the charge. One of the latest and most impressive entries into this field is the XD1 Pro Mini Drone. Weighing just 60 grams, this dual-camera, optical flow, Wi-Fi-enabled aerial photography quadcopter promises an unmatched flying experience. Whether you're a seasoned drone operator or a beginner, the XD1 Pro offers a perfect blend of ease of use, functionality, and fun. Let's explore the features that make the XD1 Pro Mini Drone an excellent choice, especially as a Christmas gift for RC toy enthusiasts. Lightweight and portable design. Weighing in at just 60 grams, the XD1 Pro Mini Drone is incredibly lightweight and portable. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around, whether you're heading to the park, the beach, or a holiday destination. This portability ensures that you can capture stunning aerial shots wherever you go, making it an ideal travel companion. Dual camera for enhanced photography. The XD1 Pro Mini Drone is equipped with dual cameras, offering a comprehensive aerial photography experience. The front-facing HD camera captures high-quality photos and videos, while the downward-facing camera provides additional perspective and stability through optical flow technology. Optical flow for stable flight. One of the standout features of the XD1 Pro Mini Drone is its optical flow positioning system. This technology enhances flight stability by using the downward-facing camera to track the ground. Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time transmission. The XD1 Pro Mini Drone offers Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing for real-time transmission of aerial footage directly to your smartphone. This feature provides a first-person view of the flight, making the flying experience more immersive and interactive. The next is Number 1, for DRCV30 Mini Drone 4K 1080p HD Camera Drones. This HD camera drones is here with the 66% price off. Now you can get it at around $29. In the world of remote-controlled flying devices, the 4DRCV30 Mini Drone stands out as an exceptional choice for both kids and adults. This compact, yet powerful, drone is equipped with a 4K 1080p HD camera, Wi-Fi connectivity, and advanced obstacle avoidance technology. Whether you're a novice pilot or an experienced drone enthusiast, the 4DRCV30 offers a fun and immersive flying experience. Let's explore the standout features of the 4DRCV30 Mini Drone and explain why it's the perfect addition to your collection of high-tech toys. High-resolution 4K 1080p HD camera. One of the most exciting features of the 4DRCV30 Mini Drone is its high-resolution 4K 1080p HD camera. This camera allows you to capture stunning aerial photos and videos with exceptional clarity and detail. Whether you're documenting your outdoor adventures or creating dynamic content for social media, the 4DRCV30's camera ensures that your aerial footage is of professional quality. Advanced obstacle avoidance technology, safety and ease of use are paramount when it comes to drone flying, and the 4DRCV30 mini drone excels in both areas thanks to its advanced obstacle avoidance technology. This feature helps prevent collisions by detecting and navigating around obstacles in the drone's path. Compact and foldable design, when folded, it fits easily into a backpack or even a large pocket, allowing you to take it with you wherever you go. Despite its small size, the drone is robust and durable, built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. User-friendly controls and features, designed with user convenience in mind, the 4DRCV30 mini drone features intuitive controls that make it accessible to pilots of all skill levels. So this is the best option for you to buy.